Hello everybody, welcome to this channel again. So do you want to know how to change your Facebook profile name? If you want to know, you are on the right place. So let's get into this video. So at first, open your Facebook application. Now click on this icon button. Scroll down and you will be able to see an option named Settings and Privacy. Click on this button. Now you can see another option is Settings. Click on it. After that, you will find many options here, so click on the personal information. Okay, now here you can see our desired option, that is name. I'm clicking on that. Now you can see here is the option to edit your name. So here is the first name, middle name and the last name. So you can change and edit your name from here, and there is note you can read that if you change your name on Facebook or Instagram, you can't change it again for 60 days. Don't add any unusual capitalization, punctuation, characters or random words. Keep in mind that you have to change your Facebook profile name. After that, you have to click review change. If you click review change, within some days or within a few hours or maybe a limited time, your profile name will be changed and it will be displayed publicly. So if this video helped you, please subscribe this channel and don't forget to like this video. See you in the next video.